know? Oh yeah, for Thanksgiving it was just like me, my mom, my dad, we were just chilling.
What did you guys eat?
All the sauce de tinga, tamales, and I was just chilling with Mike before. We were just me and him just fucking, cause he got this punching bag at his shop.
The what?
He got like a punching bag and a bunch of like boxing
okay.
shit. So we were just chilling out there having a few drinks. I just went home, chilled with my mom and dad. That's it, bro. Cause my sister went with her boyfriend. My girl was working 3 weeks. Those are good for tutorials, no? When they have more hair.
Yeah.
You can see a little bit more of what you're doing.
The actual progress.
This one's a bit in la cara.
Yeah.
What country is that?
Senegal.
Where the fuck is that? Well, the only thing I like is probably watch football and stuff. That was a little more exciting.
Cause they're always scoring and shit.
It's like hockey, because sometimes we get tickets to the hockey show. And that's just boring, man. I want to fuck it. We just be drinking and stuff.
See?
Doing the Black Friday shit?
Nah.
Well, I didn't want it when everything's the same shit. None. I mean, the stuff that has like sales were like just like simple shit. I mean, those stores were packed. I'm like, damn, people really be out here.
Oh yeah.
I ended up getting a lot of things on Amazon too. Little small stuff, you know,
Yeah.
for the house, things to organize the shower, little stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Stuff to personalize with.
Yeah. Since my season is done, I'm starting to like organize the house and put little shit around, decorate inside there.
Please like video and subscribe if you want to have great hairstyles or improving barbering skills every day and beat the weekday blues.
You don't work full schedules, man? 8+ hours?
Hell no.
You're more limited, yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up. And then just catching up with family.
You doing it on your own, or you wouldn't think of just hiring a company to
Yeah.
make the website quick as fuck?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, because I think there's different. See, I've gotten my website rebuilt 3 times already.
Okay.
The cheapest one was I think $1,500, and that was decent. Like, yeah, it did its thing. It had some SEO, you know.
Yeah.
So it wasn't too bad. My most recent one was $10,000, but it's legit, you know.
Yeah.
It has analytics. It has a lot of really good stuff to get people who are searching for anything. You're gonna pop up right away.
Oh, okay.
So it just depends on your budget and what you want on it.
Yeah, that's true.
So I feel like professionals always said, leave the stuff for the professionals with the
Yeah,
you know?
exactly.
You do what you're good at.
Alright.
Yeah, you're gonna spend a little more money, but
It's an investment.
you know, it just sounds better than different.
If you would like to learn more about fade and barbering tips, be sure to check out the video that's thumbnail has shown on screen on the link on top of the page or pinned in the comments.
My dad wants to do like the electrician shit at our job, so I'll be like, well, we're gonna spend double the amount of time, trying to figure that shit out. He's gonna focus a lo que se dedican, that's his job. He's gonna do that shit quick, he's gonna charge, but I mean, it's done, we can focus on what we do back.
Right.
Same shit with you. To be honest, you can get in your own merch.
Yeah.
Cause like the person I started doing that recently, is Martin?
Martin?
He started doing his own merch, bro, and that nigga sells out every time. And he just has a detailing company. This dude. He started this company, Untouchable.
Oh.
Years ago.
Yeah.
That nigga started selling merch, and he sells out every single time. He'll do like an order of 100 and he sells it out quick. What do you think? I can't imagine how happy they get.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna watch the soccer game tomorrow. It's gonna be interesting.
Oh, yeah. The U.S. plays later, too.